The issue of whether we should evacuate the students is still on the table. It is one of the things that we discussed. We will consult through our embassy in China and our foreign affairs ministry here, how we are going to proceed forward and how we feel about the whole thing and the risks involved, because we also don't want to bring so many people together that perhaps we infect even those who are not infected within China itself. We are going to start county emergency centers, because we must remember that there is nothing to tell, there is no guarantee that if indeed, and God forbid, but if indeed we were to experience this disease in our nation, there is no guaranteeing that it's going to be in Nairobi. It could be in any part of Kenya, and therefore, in preparedness and also in fulfilling what the President asked us to do in level 4 and level 5 hospitals. So between ourselves, the national government, and the Council of Governors, therefore the county governments, we are going to be coordinated so that activities within the counties can also be ready. We are going to establish emergency response units in each of the counties.